How to fix Spotify search not working. The first thing that you can do in this situation is try to clear the app cache of Spotify. So what you can do is tap and hold the app and then head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, tap on storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you do this step, make sure you remove the Spotify app from the recent app list and try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, the other thing that you can try out is look for new updates available. Open up the Play Store or the App Store, search for Spotify. If you do see new updates available, make sure you update this application. Now, apart from this, if your issue still persists, what you can try out is try to uninstall the Spotify app from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue should be now fixed. I do hope this short guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.